Spins. Coach Spins, you have heard it. We have a tradition to uphold. Do you think you were able to form a competitive team that will, to borrow one of the words of Clyde, annihilate the opposition?
I will say this. I didn't travel all the way from the U.S. to come to the Philippines to come in second place. So most definitely we are putting together a quality group of baseball players here in the Philippines that's going to compete for many championships, not just the East Asia Cup, but also in 2025. That's the goal. We're trying to elevate baseball here in the Philippines. We're introducing a new brand of baseball that's not really been prevalent here. There's different ways to be more efficient. My background is I was a Major League Baseball scout for 13 years with the Texas Rangers, St. Louis Cardinals, and the last 10 years was with the Cleveland Indians. So I'm bringing a different perspective to our team in terms of how Major League Baseball prepares their players to compete at the highest level. And being a part of the national team is, in my opinion, since it is the highest level of baseball here in the Philippines, that's how we treat our players. We expect for them to be the best. And I guarantee you, we will be prepared like no other team will be prepared. If you come to our practices are very efficient. There's no waste of time, waste of motions. And so that's the excitement we're providing. Just as an example, we've been preparing, we played Team Singapore in a 4-game series. They wanted to come here to play September 7th and 8th. We scored 80 runs in 4 games. We gave up 3. And then we've been fortunate enough to play Adamson, NU, and De La Salle these last 2 weeks. We've given up 4 runs to the UAP schools, and I think we scored another 40. So it's a different brand of baseball. It's very exciting. I'm an offensive guy. I like our hitters to hit. So we're going to score a lot of runs, and our pitching is outstanding, and our defense is outstanding. So I expect to win. Like I said, I didn't come here to play second base. I don't care if we play Japan, Korea, China, or the other Southeastern or the East Asian teams. We're here to win, and that's the message I'm trying to provide.
Okay, so let's go to the Asian Championships. Clarence, okay, kamusta kayo? Siyempre, first time nga na dito, malakihan na tournament sa harapan ng mga kababayan natin. Yung expectation nyo at yung kahandaan nyo, because it's just a matter of halos 1 month to go before this is Asia competition. 3 weeks to be exact.
3 weeks. Yung mga preparation lang po namin is naging focus lang po kami sa goal namin. And siguro at first nanibago kasi bago yung head coach namin. Pero tinake lang namin as like new subject lang. Like naging open-minded lang po kami, din naging challenge din po sa amin. Then yun, sinusunod po namin lahat ng mga pinapagawa niya. Then as for us naman, naging effective naman po siya sa amin. Then malaking bagay at tulong din po sa amin.
Tama ba yung sinabi ng coach? 80 runs, 4-0 and 8-0 dun sa mga exhibition
18.
18.
18.
Oh, yeah.
Gave up 18 runs,
80.
then scored 40 runs.
And in 4 games, the 80 runs.
He scored 80 runs.
80 runs in 4
games.
Wow.
16-1, 11-0.
Wow.
17,
Yeah.
0,
Agon, anong ibig sabihin ng stats na yon? Lalo na sa papalapit natin na East Asia competition.
Siyempre, sobrang laking ano po nun, parang na yung Team Philippines ngayon is very offensive team. And sabi nga po ni Coach Vince na hindi importante kung gaano kalakas or gaano kahirap, hindi na yung kalaban. Pag umiscore ka ng 80 runs, pinapakita lang na nag-improve yung hitters natin and dangerous yung mga hitters natin sa incoming East Asia Cup.
Okay. Si Chito na lang, the preparation po of the country in hosting this event, kamusta na ngayon, which is 3 weeks to go?
Well, just for the information of everyone, the representatives from the Baseball Federation of Asia, as we speak right now, are in Clark. And our good friend Secgen Pepe Munoz and Vice President Voitingson are there in Clark now, hosting them there. They only arrived yesterday and they're going to check the fields, no? And make sure that all the necessary support systems are available, no? From accommodation, the food, transportation, etc. So right now, it's ongoing, and I think as we speak today, I'm sure that we're almost there. Maybe another 10% na lang, and we just want to make sure. And with this meeting that we have today with them, we're supposed to finalize. No, I think if I'm not mistaken, by the 10th of October. We will be now, the teams that will participate will be submitting the names of the delegations that will be coming here. So by that time, we will have that information available, and things will, with regards to preparation, will make things easier. So we'll know where to assign the rooms to assign to them, and etc. No? So everything is going smoothly and on time. So we do not see any, and of course our teams are busy practicing here and preparing. No, we might, and I'm trying to, or Papa is trying to fix that. Perhaps the team should go there a few days earlier before tournament proper. No, just to get the feel of the field, the bounce. Tama ba yun, Clarence? Di ba? Mas importante yan, di ba? So we might do that maybe 2-3 days before the start of the tournament. We will bring them there already. So
No, 1 week.
1 week.
Cost ka? Sorry. We can see. We'll see. But anyway, that's the plan, and that's the direction where we're going. Thank you.
We're excited.